Hello guys, how are you doing today? I hope you are all doing well. So in today's video I am going to show you how you can add a custom domain inside Go High Level. But before that, if you don't have the Go High Level account, then go to the link in the description and sign up for a free account there. And when you get a email ID and password of Go High Level account, then sign in with that password and ID and you will get inside into the Go High Level dashboard, which will look like this. And after that you need to go to the site section. Here you can create multiple funnels, websites, membership sites. So as you can see, I have created 2 funnels here and I need to connect this funnel to the custom domain. For that you need to add a domain to this Go High Level account. For that, go on to the funnel and then go to the settings, and as you can see there is an option called domains. So here you have to add a domain for this account. For that, just click on add and edit domain. So here it is no domain, so you need to add a domain. Just click on add new domain, and here you have to give the domain, and here you have to do some kind of DNS settings, which is you have to point a record to this IP address. So for that, let's go to the Cloudflare. So Cloudflare is basically a hosting platform, which is basically a CDN. You have to import the websites inside Cloudflare. For that, you can do it easily. Just click on add plus site, and here you have to give the name of your website, and you just need to click on add site, and it will import all the DNS records here. And even you can buy domains from Cloudflare. As you can see, if you go to the register section, you can buy new domains from this option, or you can buy domains from GoDaddy or Namecheap. And once you add a domain inside Cloudflare, you just need to select a domain which you want to add into Go High Level. So once you come to this window, you will see lots of options. You just need to go to the DNS option, which says domain name system. When you go to DNS option, you will see this kind of window. So basically this data is important for hosting a domain. So you just need to click on add record. Here you can see add record button. Just click on it, and now go back to that Go High Level dashboard. Here it says you have to create a name record. So we are going to create a name. So as you can see in the type, it is says A. So here you can see there are tons of other records, but we are going to create a name. And you need to point that name record to this IP address. Just copy this IP address and paste the IP address here. So as you can see, name is pointing to this IP address which High Level is providing us. So here, if you want to add a root domain, then you just need to add a @ then it will be make this understand that you are pointing to the root domain. But if you want to create a subdomain, just name the subdomain as anything. For example, we are going to give a subdomain as test, and when you click, and you have to see that there are proxy setting, you just need to turn off proxy. And now copy this website domain and paste it inside the go high level domain name. So this is I am creating a subdomain. So now save both of the options. Now save this one in the Cloudflare. So as you can see, test subdomain is created here. So DNS is created here, and go back to the go high level and save this one also. Just click on add and this will be added and this will be saved. So as you can see, a domain name is added successfully. So now you can directly add this domain to the funnel very easily. So as you can see, the domain is added to the go high level account, and you can edit this or you can delete this. And if you want to add a new domain, then you can just follow the steps and you will be able to add new domains. So it is not that hard if you know how to do domain name system settings. Let's go to the funnel sections once again, and this is the funnel. Let's go to the settings section. Before that, let me show you that the current funnel is inside the domain default domain of go high level. When you go here, then it says go high level in the domain name, which means it is the default domain name of go high level. So we need to add the domain to the custom domain we have just added to the go high level account. For that, you need to go to the domain section. As you can see that now the domain name is available. Previously it was not available here. Just click on it and save this option. Let it save. So let's open it once again. So as you can see here, the new domain, custom domain, is added inside go high level account. The domain name is test.beginnersmoney.com, and this was the previous option, which is go high level, which means now we are successfully added a custom domain inside go high level account. As you can see in the domain name, the domain name is added here. So this is how you can add a domain name, custom domain name inside go high level, and you can add that domain name with your funnels or your websites or your membership sites. So you can add multiple domains and you can create multiple funnels, and you can set up those funnels with those new domains. So this is how you can create and add a custom domain inside go high level. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you want 14 days free trial of go high level, then you can go to the link in the description and sign up for a 14 days free trial. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day. Peace out.